Today we are going to listen a story of a rabbit and a tortoise. Yay! Who's excited to listen to the story? Let me see. Yes, all are excited. So, the story of a rabbit and a tortoise is they used to fight that they can run more faster. The rabbit used to say that I can run faster. The tortoise used to say, I also run faster. So everyone in the jungle were seeing their fighting and they told, let's put a competition of running. So they decided one day that they are going to run and see who crosses the finish line first. So the competition started and they were standing on the start line and they started. Get, set, go! They started running. Rabbit was running very fast. And tortoise was little slow. But he was running. So, after running so fast, the rabbit was tired. And when he saw at the back, he saw tortoise is very far. So the rabbit was very clever. So he thought, let me take a nap of few seconds. I will win the race. The rabbit was very smartly thinking, the tortoise is a slow person. He will not run so fast. So I can take a nap. So he went to sleep. And the tortoise were running slowly. He saw that the rabbit is sleeping. So he ran slowly without making any noise. He went to the place where there was a finish line. And he kept on running and the rabbit was still sleeping. The tortoise was running and sooner he crosses the finish line. Everybody was yelling that the tortoise won. And the rabbit again in the middle, he was listening that some noises are coming. So he got up and he saw nobody is there. But I have to run. Tortoise is still far. He was not able to see the tortoise. So he started running again very fast. As he was going to reach the finish line, he already saw that the tortoise has been won the race. He's already got the prize. And he's won the race. Everybody was enjoying with him. And he was late. The rabbit was late and he started crying. That why did I take a nap? I lost. I didn't win. But tortoise was very happy. See his happy face? He's so happy and dancing that he wins the race. So, kids, this was a beautiful story where we learn that you have different kind of friends. One is slower, one is faster, but you should not be over smart with anything. You should be understanding each other. And the moral is that whenever you do any kind of work, slowly and steadily and constantly, you will always win the race like the tortoise.